In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import product in Odoo. We'll walk through the product import process from the Odoo home screen all the way to completing the import. This is a useful feature when you need to add multiple products quickly instead of creating them one by one manually. To begin, go to the home screen in Odoo. This is your starting point for navigating to the product area. Once you're on the home screen, press the slash key on your keyboard and type products. This search shortcut helps you move around Odoo much faster, especially if you want to avoid clicking through multiple menus. As you type, Odoo will show matching results. From the search results, click Sales, then Products, and then Products. This will open the full product list where you can manage existing items and bring in new ones through an import file. After that, look for the Action button or the Settings icon on the Products page and click it. This is where Odoo keeps additional list actions, including the option to import records in bulk. Next, click Import. This will take you to the import screen where you can upload a file containing your product data. Usually this file is prepared in a spreadsheet format like CSV or Excel, depending on what Odoo accepts in your setup. Make sure your columns are organized clearly so Odoo can match the fields correctly during the import. On the import page, click Upload and select your product file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, Odoo will begin reading the data and preparing it for validation. If your file includes product names, internal references, sales prices, categories, or other product fields, those should appear for mapping and review. Before finalizing anything, click Test. This is a very important step because it checks your file for issues before the actual import happens. For example, Odoo may detect missing required values, formatting problems, or fields that do not match correctly. Testing first can save you time and help prevent incorrect product data from being added to your database. If the test completes successfully and everything looks correct, go ahead and click Import. Odoo will then process the file and create your product records. Once the import finishes, your products should appear in the product list. At that point, you can review them and confirm that the details were imported as expected, and that's how to import products in Odoo quickly and efficiently.